Hi guys, so I've got a cold again, but again it's just affecting kind of my throat and that. But I'm gonna try the Chhinkni powder again and see if I can get any more sneezes than I got last time. Oh gosh, it's not, it's not the most pleasant thing. Oh wait, that kind of feels like something. Does it always take a minute to kick in, or some people I see sniff it and they're gone. Two. I think that's what happened last time. God, maybe 2 is my limit. No. Well, it's certainly working better. Oh, better than it was last time. It kind of smells a bit like Vicks vapor rub. Up. Ow! 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 I don't know if I'm just doing it better this time or whether the cold is helping. But gosh, it does tickle. I feel like there's more, but ugh, grim. No, I think that's it. Wow, better than last time. And I sound like a man today. That's my sore throat, but I'm a woman, promise. Bye.